How to make identity claims using Polygon ID. Download the Polygon ID app. Wait for the necessary information to download. Once the download is complete, create a wallet and set a password. If you want, you can log in with your Google account to create a backup. If not, click the Skip for Now button. Congratulations! You now have your wallet set up. Next, log into the TechnoRely platform using your Google account. TechnoRely platform is an innovative platform designed for software development and providing technological solutions. It provides internal usage capabilities for TechnoRely team members, where they can track days off, receive bonuses, and other benefits. At the same time, it also offers external users the ability to use it as a subcontract, where they can post their tasks and choose suitable performers or teams. Our platform is based on principles of flexibility, innovation, and quality, and we strive to provide individual solutions that meet the unique needs and expectations of all users. After logging in, when attempting to apply for a job, you will be redirected to the verification process first. Select Polygon ID option and click the Choose button. Scan the QR code. Then upload your ID documents and send a verification request to the admin. After receiving confirmation, click on Get Age Credential button. Scan the QR code again to receive your credentials. Press the back button and confirm your age by scanning the QR code. Now you're all set. You've successfully made your claim for Polygon ID. Enjoy exploring the platform with your newly verified status.